Half pounder with cheese. Well, it looks pounded all right, like with a hammer. Burger Queen nuggets. 10 for $1.50. You can taste the cheap. A rogue onion ring stows away in my french fries almost every time. Got a smiley meal. Guess what? They forgot the toy. More like frowny meal. KFC drive-thru. Waited for 20 minutes with 2 cars in line. Four-cheese burrito. It fell through my takeout bag from its own grease stain. Triple stack burger? The artery clog special is a better name. Freddy's shoestring fries. Too thin for satisfaction. I bite mostly air. Resting on my break. Deep fryer makes soothing pops. The beep wakes me up. Harvey's chicken strips. Good, but employees hate them. Hand breading is work. I keep telling them, extra fries instead of slaw. Will they ever learn? I hate KFC. They can't get my order right. Every time, I swear. $12 lunch rush. The line at Cluck Filet is impenetrable. Pretzel crust pizza with cheddar cheese for the sauce. The thought makes me gag. Boneless chicken wings. They're just glorified nuggets. What's the difference?